So, continuation of our surface areas and volumes, which is also called mensuration chapter. Mensuration chapter, that too 3D figures. 2D figures you studied in the lower classes, rectangles, circle, square, sector, all these semicircle, all this you studied in the lower classes, that is 2D figures. But now here 3D figures. Cuboid we completed, cube we completed, now we are doing the cylinder problems. So cylinder formulas, for that I gave the 3 formulas. One is curved surface area of the cylinder, 2 pi RH, curved surface area, curved surface area. So next second formula is total surface area, curved surface area plus top area, bottom area, if you, that is called total surface area. Next I gave the formula for volume of the cylinder. So 3 formulas I gave. So 3 formulas only we are using in all these problems. So students, open your textbooks. In this textbook, the page number is 226. This is very old textbook. If you are in your new textbook, the page number may be different. Accordingly, you open 226 page number, and our exercise is 10.2 exercise. This is a difficult chapter actually, lengthy problems, lot of simplification, conversion, sometimes centimeters into meters, meters into centimeters, liters into meter square, meter cube into liters, like that. Lot of conversion is also there and simplification is also there. So I'm going slow only because some exercises are deleted in this for this year. So students, in this 10.2 exercise, yesterday I completed 6th one, now 7th problem. All of you read the 7th problem. Diameter of a roller, maybe like a road roller. Road roller will be a cylindrical shape only. Road roller is cylindrical shape. See here, the road roller is like this. It is moving like this. It is doing leveling the ground. It is moving like this. Road roller will be in the form of a cylinder. So what dimensions are given? See, there is a road roller and dimensions are, see here, diameter of the roller given. Diameter is 84. Diameter 84 means radius will be half of this. 84 by 2 is 42. Diameter 84, radius will be half of it. Diameter 84, radius is half of it, centimeters. Length is 120. So I explained yesterday, when the cylinder is like this, this is the radius of the base 42 and this is the height. But if the cylinder is like this, so we call it as a length. Length or height both are same. When the cylinder is like this, it is called height. When it is called, then it is like this, then we don't call it as a height. When the cylinder is on the floor, so it is horizontal, then we don't call this as a height. We call it as a length. Length and height both are equal. So length or height both are equal. So I am not using that length word. So I will use height only. H is equal to 120 centimeters. H is equal to 120 centimeters. 120 centimeters. What is asked? Suppose if the roller moves one time, one rotation, complete one rotation, how much area it will cover? See here. Suppose it is a roller. Started from here. Road roller or maybe any roller. Started from here. One rotation, how much area it will cover? One rotation. One rotation, how much area it will cover means curved surface area. Whatever the curved surface area is there, that much area it will cover in one rotation. One rotation it will cover the curved surface area. Whatever the curved surface area of the roller is there, that much area it will cover. One complete rotation, one time, one revolution. So one revolution, how much area it will cover? Curved surface area. What is the curved surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi RH. So if it is rotated one time, that roller rotated one revolution, it will cover 2 pi RH. Write down. In one complete revolution or rotation, same. Roller will cover the area. How much area it will cover? Curved surface area, 2 pi RH. Curved surface area. See here, this is called curved surface area. When roller is moving like this, it will cover this curved surface area. Whatever the curved surface area is there, that much it will cover. What is the formula for curved surface area of the cylinder? 2 pi RH. This is the conclusion, students. So we have to mean that when it is rotated one time, it will cover the curved surface area, which is 2 pi RH. 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into R is 42 into H is 120. Two pi RH. 2 only. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 42. H is 120. 7 6 2 into 22 44. 7 6 times. 7 6 7 6 44 into 6 into 120. Leave it. Let us simplify afterwards. We have to simplify. We have to multiply. But I will simplify in the last. So that means the roller will cover this much area in one revolution. This is centimeter, means area will be in centimeter square. But how many revolutions the roller is making? 500 revolutions. 500 times it is rotating. One time this much area it will cover. In 500 times into 500. One time this much. 500 times into 500. So in 500 revolutions, roller will cover the area is equal to one time this much. 500 times into 500. 44 into 6 into 120 into 500 centimeter square. Centimeter square. 44 into 6 into 120, one time this much into 500. Multiply with 500 because 500 times rotation. Road roller rotated 500 times. What is the answer? If you multiply this into this into this into this, that is your answer. But answer will be in centimeter square. See the question. Conversion is the problem. Question is, find the area of the playground in meter square. Question is in meter square, but we got in centimeter square. Why we got in centimeters? Because R is centimeters, H is also centimeters. So we got in centimeter square. But we have to get it into meter square. So how? See here. 44 into 6 into 120 into 500 by, how to convert the centimeters into meters? Centimeters divided by 100, it will be converted into meters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So centimeters, to convert the centimeters into meters, divide by 100. But here centimeter square. Centimeter square means 2 times 100, 100. Now this is in meter square. This answer is in centimeter square. I am dividing with 100 and into 100. That means 10,000. So that this will be converted into meter square. This is our answer. But you simplify it. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. Once again I am writing. Same I am writing once again. Five ones are 5 twos are 2 6 are 6 6 are 36 into 44. Students, do it and get the answer. Do the multiplication. meter square, students. You do the simplification afterwards. You multiply it and it is answer is 1584 meter square. Very simple. Diameter is given 84, but we don't use the diameter. We use only radius. So divide it by 2. 84 by 2 is 42. That is radius is half of the diameter. By 2, 42. Length or height both are same. So road roller is in the form of a cylinder. Height is 120. It is given in the textbook. So in one complete revolution, if road roller is rotating one time, how much area it will cover? It will cover its lateral curved surface area. So curved surface area formula 2 pi RH. 2 into pi 22 by 7 into R is 42 into H is 120. 7 6 2 into 22 44 into 6 into 120. I am not multiplying. I will do the in the last. So keep as it is. But it is rotated how many times? 500 times. So multiply this with 500. Answer we got. But answer is required in meter square. We got the answer in centimeter square. So how to convert centimeters into meters? Divide by 100. But centimeter square means 2 times. 100, 100. Divide this by 100 into 100. So answer is 1584 meter square. Write down. Vemlavada branch. Students, followed this or not? Difficult problem. As I said, mensuration is a difficult chapter. This chapter is very difficult chapter. In one complete revolution, roller will cover the area 2 pi RH. In 500 revolutions, roller will cover the area this into 500. 500 times. 1584 meter square. Students, eighth problem. Inner diameter of a circular well. There is a circular well. Circular well. You know well. We take water from it. Circular well. Even bore also will be in the circular well only. It is like. So circular well. Nothing but cylinder. See, circular well is nothing but cylindrical shape. Even if you take bore also, it will be cylindrical shape only. Bore depth will be cylindrical shape only. It will be round in shape. Round in shape and it will have some depth. It is nothing, naturally it is a cylinder. So what are the given values? See here. Inner diameter of the circular well is 3.5. Diameter 3.5 meters. But we require radius. So radius is half of this. 3.5 by 2 meters. Divide by 2. 3.5 meters divided by 2, we get the radius. Okay. Depth. Depth is 10 meters. Depth is nothing but height. See, if it is on the ground, we call it as a height. If it is below the ground, we call the same as a depth. So depth or height or length all are same. See, if it is like this, we call it as a height. But if it is in the ground, we call it as a depth. If it is like this, we call it as a length. So all are same. So h is equal to 10 meters. Directly given. R is given, h is given. Direct problem. So question is, what is inner curved surface area? Inner curved surface area. Inner curved surface area. Curved surface area for the cylinder formula 2 pi RH. Direct formula. Curved surface area formula is 2 pi RH. So 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into R is the radius. What radius? Inner, because inner is asked means inner radius. The given data is inner radius only. Inner only given. 3.5 into H is 10. H is 10. Two into 22 by 7 into, to remove the decimal we have to write one decimal. If you remove, you will get 10 here denominator. I am removing the decimal. If you remove the decimal, you will get 10 here, because after decimal 1 digit, so 1 0. You know how to remove the decimal. If you remove the decimal, you have to write 1 after decimal. After decimal, how many digits? 1 digit, so 1 0. Now simplify. 10 10 cancel, 2 2 cancel, 7 1 the 7 5 the. See students, is it 110? 110 area means square meter, meter square. See it. 110 meter square. First question over. Second question. Cost of plastering this curved surface at the rate of 40 rupees per meter square. Cost of painting, plastering. Cost of plastering is 40 rupees for 1 meter square. 1 meter square is equal to 40 rupees. How much area we have to paint? This much area. How much area we have to plaster? This much area. So this into 40. 1 meter square plastering cost is 40 rupees. So this much area, what is the cost of the plastering? So total cost is equal to 110 into 40 rupees per 1 meter square. 1 meter square 40 rupees. 110 meter square how much? So 110 into 40. So 400 rupees. 4,400. Write down, students. 2 questions and we answered both. See, there is a well which is in the shape of a cylinder. So radius is, diameter is 3.5, radius will be half of this, 3.5 by 2 meters. Height is 10, depth is given, depth or height both are same. Height is equal to 10. And inner curved surface area formula 2 pi RH, 2 into pi 22 by 7 into R 3.5 by 2 into H is 10. You know how to simplify, and finally answer is 110. You do it. 1 square meter plastering cost 40 rupees. So this, for this, what is the cost? 110 into 40. That's all. Students, 9th question. Ninth question, first bit. cylinder only. Total exercise is based on cylindrical concept. So we have three formulas. Curved surface area 2 pi RH. Just now we used in 2-3 problems. And total surface area is 2 pi RH plus 2 pi R square, or 2 pi R into R plus H. So see here, ninth first bit. The total surface area of the closed cylindrical petrol storage tank whose diameter is 4.2 meters. Cylindrical petrol storage tank. There is a petrol storage tank. It is in a cylindrical shape. Petrol storage tank in the cylindrical shape. Diameter is equal to 4.2 meters. Petrol cylindrical storage tank. Storage tank is in the shape of a cylinder. Generally storage tanks for petrol storage tanks will be in the cylindrical shape only. And even vehicles which transport the petrol on road also will be cylindrical shape. So diameter is 4.2 meters. 4.2 meters. So then radius is half of this. 4.2 by 2. Half of it. 2.1 meters. Radius is 2.1. Diameter 4.2. Radius is 2.1. Next, the question is total height is given. What is the height? 4.5 meters. Radius is 2.1, height is 4.5. Total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area. Total surface area of the cylindrical cylinder. I gave the formula. See the formula, students. 2 pi R into R plus H. 2 pi R into R plus H or H plus R. Total surface area of the cylinder. Clearly mentioned. Total surface area. Clear question. No misunderstanding. Total surface area of the cylinder is asked. 2 pi R into R plus H. Substitute the values. 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into R is 2.1 into R plus H. R plus H. H is 4.5. 2 pi R into R plus H. 2 into 22, 44 by 7 into 2.1 into 2.1 plus 4.5, 5.6. 2.1 into 4.5, 5.6. 7 3s are 21. 3 times. 7 3s are 3 times, but 0.3. 7 3s are 21, but point is there, no? So 0.3 answer. 7 3s are 21. 2 into 22, 44. 7 3s are 21, 3.3 into 5.6. You multiply 44 into 3 into 56. You remove the decimal and multiply. After getting the answer, we can keep the decimal. 44 into 3. 44 132 into 56. Do it, students. Do the simplification. Sorry, this is 5, 6, 4, 6.6. Do multiply. Do the simplification. So after decimal 1 digit, after decimal 1 digit, 1 digit, 1 digit, 2 digits. Students, in your new textbook, dimensions are same or not? 4.2 and 4.5 same, because this is the old textbook, so answer is different here. You check whether it is 4.2, 4.5 same dimensions or not, and you check with the answer. So this is the answer. This is the first bit. Simple question. 2 pi r into r plus h. All values are given. 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 2.1 into 2.1 plus 4.5. This is 2 plus 4, 6.6, and this is 2.1. This is 2 into 22, 44. 7 3s are 21.3. 44 into 3 you multiply. First 44 into 3, then multiply with 66. After that you keep the decimal. 44 into 3 is 3 4s are 12, 1 3 4s are 12, 130, 132 into 66. So approximately that is the value is 8712. But 1 digit. Before 2 digits you put the decimal. So this is the answer. And second bit we will do in the next class. The second bit I have to explain the concept. So this is the first bit over. Do it. And Today also we did so many difficult problems. You just practice it. You practice and do the simplification also. Not only formula we have to remember, concept, what is asked. Third is simplification also difficult. Simplification also lengthy simplification. So all three hard things. Understanding the question, applying the formula and simplification. All three are difficult things. So you have to practice. You after this class, you practice whatever problems I told today. You just have a practice. Second bit, next class.